Hi, my name is Emil Euaparadorn. I'm a physical therapist at the Aspire Center out of New York City in Manhattan. Today we'll be discussing how to do some global core control exercises for your lower back, which will definitely help with pain and prevent excessive motion that often causes lower back pain. So, the exercise here, you start off by lying down on your back. Right? The key to this exercise here, the pelvis does not move. So, during this exercise here, you should not twist pelvis, you shouldn't arch your back, and you shouldn't do a posterior pelvic tilt. Right? That means you're not doing a good job controlling your lower back. So before we start the exercise, first thing you do is pull your stomach in very, very slightly. Okay? Hold it in and hold it there. This knee is bent over here. When you bring your knee to your chest, try to go slightly past the knee, past the hip, but make sure the pelvis doesn't move. So right now, he's doing a good job. A wrong way is by doing that motion here. So only go up to here. Once you accomplish that, you're going to drop your knee outward. And as you're doing this over here, make sure that this pelvis does not rotate with you. So Dwayne's going to put his hand over here to remind himself to not to move up. He's not going to push down to hold his pelvis, but more as a reminder. And come out to the side here. And then he's going to straighten out his leg out like this. The key here is don't arch your lower back. So can you demonstrate the wrong way? Right? That means not controlling your core. So make sure you don't do that motion here. Bring it in, and then you start the cycle all over again. So you're going to don't do posterior pelvic tilt. Don't rotate your pelvis. Don't arch your lower back, and do it again. So you're doing these big circles. The key is go very, very slow. By doing this exercise over here, you're working your core in multiple directions. Over here, you're working your obliques, your rotator control. Over here, you're preventing from lower back, you're working your stomach muscles. And over here, you're using lower back muscles. And the nice thing about this exercise here, you're working on your transitioning from one muscle group to another, which is much more real life than doing traditional straight plane exercises. The goal is to do this for 2 minutes straight. And once you do that, then it's more appropriate to do more standing functional exercises depending on what your major problem is.